Yo, I just found out that you can make money from home just answering your phone. And this can be done on your cell phone all day long. If you'd like to hear more about this, stay with me throughout this video because I'm going to show you exactly how you can get started. What's up, guys? Zeb here. Today we're going to be talking about how to make money by answering your phone. Yes, you can make money answering your phone all day long by helping people. All right? Now, before I get started with this video, I'd like to introduce myself to those that don't already know me. My name is Zeb Summers. I'm an online entrepreneur. I talk about make money online, affiliate, internet, digital marketing, and I'm here to help you through your journey to a laptop lifestyle so you can get some freedom in your life. Now, if you are new to my channel, could you hit that subscribe button? Click that little notification bell to be notified when I put out these videos every single day. And if you have any comments, let me know what you like, what you don't like, would like to see in the future. Now, if you do feel like you got some value out of this video, give me a like. And if you feel like you have any questions you need answered, post them down below in the comments and I'll be happy to answer those. All right, guys. Now, if you would rather have a more passive income, one where you're making money on autopilot, then click the link down in the description, my #1 recommended make money online method. Click that link and I'll send you over some more information on that. All right. Now, let's get on with today's video. It's going to be a quick one, straight to the point, and showing you exactly how you can make money answering your phone. So, there's this new app called Sixya. All right? So, Sixya was created to go in hand with the site called Fixya. So, what Fixya is, it's a site that you can pretty much it's a forum where you ask questions and then somebody answers the question for you. So it's kind of like a Reddit for fixing things, do yourself. Now, if you want a more specialized favor or specialized fix or answer to one of your questions, then they came out with this app called Sixya, which will allow you to provide expert help over the phone. All right, guys. So what this does is you can do it by video or by phone or video phone. So what the way this works is if you're an expert in your field, all right? Say you know how to fix plumbing, electrical, you know how to fix computers, you know how to do crafts, simplest things. Guys, this is easy, and it's very easy to get started, all right? Because you basically get this app, all right? Fixya hooks you up, connects you with the people that need help, all right? And the way this works is you come over here, you download the app, all right? Sixya instantly connects you with a repair expert. That would be you, right? Because you're a repair expert. You want to become an expert, all right? So you want to become an expert. You put your first name in, you put your zip code, your mobile number, you become an expert. And then you're going to get, just fill out the application, get a quick interview, and then start doing this. Now, the best part is you also get a $100 sign-up bonus after you make 20 calls, all right? So each call that lasts longer than a minute, after a minute, you get $3, and most calls last up to 4 to 5 minutes, okay? So that would be $15 every 5-10 minutes you answer calls. So that's, just think about it, guys. You could be making $60 an hour answering calls from Fixya or Sixya, all right? So this is a very cool app, and if you have expertise in any field, it could be something like accounting. It could be something that you're not even thinking about. You know, you might be real good at Excel. You might be real good at math. All right. You might be real good at fixing toilets. Whatever it is, there's somebody looking for help. All right. So, guys, this is a perfect app and perfect way that you can share a skill that you have and make extra income. All right, you could do this all day long from your phone. You just install this app. It's good on the Android OS and iOS, and you basically download the app. It is for U.S. citizens only, okay? So you do have to be a U.S. citizen for this to work. I'm sorry I put out videos all the time for people outside the U.S., but this one is for U.S. citizens only. But guys, if you are in the U.S., you're looking for extra money, or you just lost your job and you have a skill that you can help other people on, download this app. It can't hurt, and you can make extra money. Okay, and you can make up to $60 an hour. Now, guys, again, if you want to make a more passive income instead of trading your time for money, all right, just go down to the link in my description. My number one recommended make money online method. Click that link and I'll send you some information on that method. All right. And that would be a more passive income, and it's a little different than trading your time for money. It's what I do, and it's how you make money passively through internet marketing. Okay. But guys, I drop videos all the time for those that don't mind trading their time for money to make money, like answering your phone for money with Siksha. All right, so go download the app, sign up to become an expert, get on Fiksha, and just wait for your phone to ring so you get paid. All right, guys, peace out. I hope to see you again. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give me a like and a comment, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Peace out.